For this science activity, we are going to do another experiment. This time we are going to do a weight experiment. What you're going to need is you're going to need this sheet. You can download it. I laminated it to make it reusable. I've got a whiteboard marker here, and I can write with the marker on this sheet, and then I can erase it again and reuse this sheet over and over again. So what you also are going to need is your set of loose parts. I've got beautiful rainbow loose parts here, and then I have a makeshift scale. This is a rounded base, and then I've got a nice plank to just balance on so that I can determine which loose parts weigh more than others. You can also use a kitchen scale or any form of weighing tool that you have at your disposal. So let me switch the camera now to a bird's eye view, and you can see how we conduct this experiment. Okay, so I've grabbed the sheet and my marker, and I've placed two pieces on our makeshift scale. I've got an orange cone, and then I also have a green cone, and we can see that they have equal weights, right? So now what we can do is we can wipe off the equal sign. Let me just grab a rag. We can wipe off the equal sign, and we can continue our experiment. We can put on a mushroom on this side. So let's add our mushroom to here, and now we see that a cone and a mushroom is heavier than a single cone on its own. Okay, let's look at the next step of our experiment. We can put an egg on that side. Okay, let's see. This is interesting. So a cone and an egg is heavier than a cone and a mushroom. So guys, you catch my drift. This is how you can continue on. You can even make a long sheet and then compare it at the end. But this is such a great introduction to how different object compositions and different object forms have different weights.